Good morning to one and all present here. Respected Dr. Vatsal Shah sir, Hitesh Patel sir, Jenny Bora sir, Tejas Vasoya sir, and all the alumni and faculties present here. I welcome all the students as well. I, Astha Gupta, lead at GDSC BVM, welcome you all on behalf of Google Developer Student Club's Birla Vishwakarma Mahavidyalayas event, hands-on session with Salesforce, organized in association with BVM alumni. I request all the participants to stay interactive during the session, and all the questions will be taken at the end. Now, without any further ado, I invite Hitesh sir to begin the session. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, so thank you so much for a very nice introduction and giving us opportunity this. So first of all, good morning all the students, and thank you students for giving us time to present this demo. So we will learn today the new thing, which is a Salesforce. So I hope everyone have heard the name. If not, everyone will know what it is and how it works. So let me share my screen. I hope everyone can see my screen and everyone can hear me clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, so first thing is, what is Salesforce? So before we know about Salesforce, we should have knowledge about cloud computing. So Salesforce is a part of cloud computing. So what is now the question is, what is cloud computing then? So cloud computing, which is a combination of three things. One is application, platform, and infrastructure. So here infrastructure, which means the computer, storage, network. So these are the things which work as a infrastructure. So this thing we don't have to maintain it at client side, which means at our side. This will this will be provided by someone else, and we use the service whichever we pay and we want. Second thing is platform where the object metadata stores, identity, runtime means whichever program we run, we need platform where that program can execute. So that runtime execution, that platform provide queue and database. So this platform is provided by someone which is uh, that is also same as like infrastructure. We don't have to maintain in our local, it will be on the cloud. And third thing is application. On this platform, whichever application we build, that application that will be the whichever like in mobile application or any website or any finance related software, whichever software we develop, that call application, which runs on platform. So this will be the application. That all three things will be on the cloud. That is called combination of all three, which is a cloud computing. So now the cloud computing, first thing, this is the legacy, means a traditional way. Till now it was working the on premise. So on premise, which is like we can say .NET, Microsoft .NET, we were using till now. So for that application, we have to download in our system, where we can, like VS Code, we have to download in our system, and we have whichever thing we write, that will run into the local only. It will not be run on the website. Data. So whichever server we maintain, we create, there only the data will be stored. Third thing is runtime. Runtime will be the platform, so which is also the VS Code, which provide middleware. If any middleware means if there is an integration between two systems, then middleware come in picture. Second, operating system, virtualization, servers, storage, networking, all thing we have to manage. You manage means customer have to manage all the things. But in the cloud computing, there is a different part. Infrastructure, if we purchase infrastructure as a service, so we don't have to manage server, storage, networking things. That service we can use from other resource, which is like Amazon, Bluehost. So those are the people who provide us servers on the subscription basis, and infrastructure we have to maintain. And yeah, this is the infrastructure which is a as infrastructure as a service. Business offers service such as pay as you go storage, networking, virtualization. This is highly flexible and highly scalable, and accessible by multiple user and cost effective. Now, the example of this second thing, infrastructure as a service, which is AWS, Amazon Web Service, Rackspace, Google Cloud, Google Compute Engine, Digital Ocean. So these are the example of infrastructure as a service. So what this do, it will provide us the server where our data store and our application can, and our application will run in local only. Local means we develop a software. That software we have to install in client machine, like ERP software we develop. So that software we have to install in client's machine, and which our data storage will be stored into the other application like Amazon Web Service. So that is as a infrastructure as a service, which Amazon provide us infrastructure on the subscription basis. So this is on-premise till now, and this is infrastructure. Now platform as a service. So we have to manage only application and data, and the platform where our application can run will provide by someone else, and middleware operating system provided by someone else. So storage, which is a infrastructure, this is a combination of infrastructure plus platform, which are provided by infrastructure as a service will cover in this platform as a service. So now we see example. So platform as a service, which is a Heroku, Windows Azure, Post.com, Apache, Struts, Magento, Commerce Cloud. So these are the example for platform as a service. So platform as a service, which is a vendor provide hardware and software tool over the internet, and people use this tool to develop application. So platform as a service user tend to be, this is useful for developer only. So why developer? Because the program who have to run, which is a developer program have created by developer, and they would like to run. So that will run on Heroku or Windows Azure, Post.com, Apache. So this will be used by only developer, and this is scalable. You can choose from various tier of resource, built on virtualization, easy to run without extensive system admin knowledge. Now, third thing, software as a service. So here Salesforce comes in picture. Salesforce is a software as a service software. Salesforce is a software which provides software as a subscription basis. So we don't have to manage anything. We don't have to install application into our laptop or any mobile or any system. We don't have to install anything. We don't have to store data at our end. We don't need platform to run. So all the things managed by Salesforce, we don't have to manage inside our local. Like if you have done project in PHP, you develop, you create a WAMP server. So the server will be in your local machine. But in Salesforce, the server will be on the cloud. All the data will be on the cloud. That's why it is called cloud computing. see software as a Salesforce as a service. This is a Salesforce. Salesforce as a service, software as a service platform makes software available user over the internet. So whoever have access of internet can access the Salesforce, usually for a monthly subscription fee. So they have a subscription based model available over the internet, hosted on a remote server by third party, scalable. So whichever number of count that will be easily covered by Salesforce. That's why it is scalable with different tier for small, medium, and enterprise. Based on our business, if it is a small, you have to purchase small uh, enterprise or medium enterprise or, and if you have a large business, so large enterprise or. So they have a server which is located in different regions. That's why it is more scalable. The most so now including offering security that is secure. So if it is a cloud on the cloud, the biggest challenge is security. So they provide very great security because the example is Bank of America also using Salesforce. So why they use, because they trust on Salesforce and they have proven their security, compliance, maintenance as part of code. Now these are the other example as well. Not only Salesforce, we have other application also as a software as a service. The Google Apps in the mobile, we have applications. So those are also hosted on the cloud, and we can pay as per we need. So and some applications are free. So those are also software as a service. Next is Dropbox. So Dropbox provides us storage, and we it is provide free storage up to 2 GB. If we want more, we can purchase from them. So that is also called software as a service. Mailchimp used to sending an email, Zendesk, DocuSign, Slack, and HubSpot. So these are all the example of software as a service, which is a part of cloud computing. Now, Salesforce uh, runs on multi-tenant architecture. So the question is, what is multi-tenant architecture? Multi-tenant means like if multiple user runs, multiple like multiple companies running the sharing the same server. So that is called multi-tenant architecture. So you have let's take one simple example. You have one home and which has a 3 floor. So you give that home as a tenant three different people. So that is for multiple tenants can live on one place. So that is one of the simplest example of multi-tenant architecture. So one server will be used by multiple resources, multiple customers. So that is called multi-tenant architecture. Now, because it is running on multi-tenant architecture, there are some challenges. Like if three customer using same server and customer A using bad programming and it due to that it hangs server multiple times. To resolve that, Salesforce has introduced governor limit that is called Salesforce governor limits. Now, what is the governor limit? Like we can do DML, number of DML, like number of insert, update, or delete statement. We can do up to 100, like 150. Second thing, SOQL. So we can read in the one transaction. I'm talking about in one transaction. So in one transaction, SOQL can run only 100. So more data cannot get. In one query, we can get maximum 50,000 records. So that kind of governor limit they have introduced. Due to that, the server will work efficiently and it will not impact other people who is also using the cell phone. So that is the reason why it is a multi-tenant. So now After multi-tenant, we will move to the Salesforce CRM. So what is the Salesforce CRM? So Salesforce CRM is Customer Relationship Manager. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Now, before we move that, so in this multi-tenant, the Salesforce need, if we want to deploy anything to their server, like in production, which is a live, it requires some testing. So they have automation testing, which is a unit test class. So that test class coverage is more than 75, then only we can deploy to production. So the architecture is like there are three type of orgs once we get the Salesforce org. One is the developer, where we build our application. Second thing is UAT, where we deploy and our company, our customer can do unit testing there, and the production where end user can do use that, utilize the application. So there are the three version of Salesforce. Now CRM, customer relationship management. So there are three parts here: marketing cloud, sales cloud, and service cloud. So marketing cloud. So what is the marketing cloud? Let's take one of the simplest example, which we all know. Let's say Geo. So Geo and let's say Paytm. There are two big brand, which among them one which is a Paytm is also using Salesforce for their CRM. So first thing is in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So there are different type of marketings which we can do inside Salesforce. Email marketing, content marketing, social media, pay-per-click. So what is the use of marketing? So use of marketing to get the leads from the market. So to get the leads in Salesforce, we create a campaign, and whichever people interested in that product will come as a campaign member, as a lead. And some customer also come as a directly contact. They would like to purchase, so they will directly create as a campaign member as a contact. So let's say Geo, what they will do for marketing, they will provide banners. They will add banners into the every square, road square. So they will add banners. That is called branding. Second thing, they will like host any of the event. Let's say IPL T20. So that will be hosted by Geos or Paytm. So that is one type of marketing. So that is come into the marketing cloud. So people will see, lots of people will see match cricket, and they will know by seeing that is one thing which is new coming, which is a Paytm, one thing which is new coming as Geo. So based on that, they will building a brand of their company. And also some companies do email marketing, which means they will send the email to the customer, and whichever interested customer will check the email and check and reply. Based on that, scoring will maintain for that particular person. And content marketing means on their website or in the some newspaper or something, they will release a blog. That is called content marketing. Social media. So some companies do marketing on Facebook. If you log into Facebook, there are ads coming in the screen somewhere. Pay per click, search engine optimization means anyone can search Paytm. Their site should come at the first. Electronic billboard, so which is like on the road. You can see when you're waiting at the signal, the people can see that board and can get aware about their product. Radio and TV. In TV also you can, when some advertise come, they will that is for like one type of TV marketing. Second thing, mobile marketing. Mobile also you get some notification, you get some messages, WhatsApp message. So those are also the part of marketing cloud. Virtual marketing. So like virtual marketing, which means like meetings, webinar, seminar, that kind of people get attend that the awareness of about their product. Let's say iPhone 13 they released, so they did one meeting and people can join that meeting also online. So that is one type of virtual marketing. So this is the part of Salesforce, which is the first one, marketing cloud. Now second is Sales Cloud. So what is Sales Cloud? Sales Cloud, which means whichever campaign we got, that campaign like campaign from the campaign, whichever lead we got, we would like to convert as a customer. So those work can be done by company sales team. So sales team, what they will do. So let's say Geo. So what Geo will do, they will provide you 1 month free subscription. So 1 month people will 1 month, and if they are not extending more due to some reason. So Geo have your data. What they will do, this customer have purchased our trial for 1 month. Later they haven't purchased. So what they will do, they will call that customer and what is the reason you would not like to extend, and based on that reason they will provide different of offers and discount. That is for lead nurturing. By the way, Geo will not provide discount, but some other companies will do that, will provide benefits based on the offer you customer can purchase. Let's say salespeople will provide 10% discount, but customer is asking more. He want 20%. So what a salesperson can do? Salesperson has a authority to give up to 10%. So to give 20%, they have to move to the manager level. So they will get approval from manager, and after approval, they will provide that discount to the customer. So that like uh, how how that lead should come as a customer, become as a customer who will use our application. That will be done as a sales team, and that will be part of a sales cloud. So that is called sales cloud. From lead to prospect, lead to the actual customer. So that is part of sales cloud. Now regarding Paytm also. So if we see banners, there 7,000 cashback if you fill the petrol in 3 months, and there are some other offers. Usually in festival people spend more, so in festival they will release most of the offer. So we download the application. Some people download the application but don't use that. So what Paytm will do, they will give more offer to those customers who are not using. So they will, due to that, they will start using, and that will become as a customer. So that is also part of sales. So how to sell our product to customer. So that is come into the sales cloud, which is a second part of Salesforce, which is the sales cloud. Now third one, which is a service cloud. So when service cloud comes in picture, so we are already using, like some customer already using the application and have issue on their application. Like, so let's say we have taken the Geo's plan for 6 months, and second month we face challenge. There is a speed issue, or internet go up and down, or any like close at all, internet not working. So that kind of thing can happen. So if company will not provide service to the customer at that time, customer will not buy again. They will not recurring customer. They will just stop the service. I would go for another vendor. So that's why service is very important role into Salesforce CRM. And let's say Paytm. So in the Paytm, you did one transaction, and in that transaction, it got failed, and your money has been deducted. So what you will do, you will reach out to the customer care, Paytm customer care, and they will guide you or suggest you what will be the next step after that. Same thing for this geo service provider, internet provider or cable provider. Cable is not working or internet is not working. So what you will do? You will do chat or video their application. Go to their application, my Geo app, and we can chat directly with them. And they will suggest. Initially, there is a robot chatting, the starting. So robot will give us the answer like if you press 1, what is the what issue you are facing. If internet disconnection speed issue, then press 2. So based on our response, that way that chatbot will return as a suggested options which we can follow and fix our problem. So why they do a robot instead of direct physical person? Because sometimes sometimes inter, internet previously also same issue came to other customer. Now same issue come to customer B. So our support people, like service people's time should not get wasted to solve one problem multiple times. So that will increase the efficiency of service cloud. So only one problem, if multiple service team person will engage to solve in one problem every day, then they have to increase the team. That will cost to the company. So they will have to hire more people, and they have to give more package salaries to the multiple people. So instead of that, they did automation. If one issue came, then based on knowledge article, provide this step, customer follow that step, and it will fix. So that work in many scenarios, but some scenario it will not work. So after chatting, they can directly provide option to connect with physical person. Now what you will do, if any issue comes, you can send email, customer care at geo.com, customer care at paytm.com. So in the email they have a milestone. So once they get email, they will have to resolve that within 24 hours. They have to at least respond. So if if they provide this functionality, then customer also will get like happy that I got the response within 1 hour, and they will retain. So and phone call, if we call customer care 1800 kind of, so those customer care, and they will guide us about what is the problem and what is the resolution. From mobile we can chat. Customer self service, which is the uh, community portal, we can say. So community portal means, let's say you purchase the laptop and there is issue in that laptop, so you can go to HP or Dell's website. You can create your user with your email address and your product, and from there you can generate a ticket, and people will that ticket will assign to some people, and they will provide a next step. What is the next step? So for a solution, next is social media. So from social media also we can get the issue resolved if we post on the social media about the issue, and their team will respond us. So that is a part of Service Cloud. So these are the main key area of Salesforce CRM: Marketing Cloud, Sales Cloud, and Service Cloud. So in Marketing Cloud, we have object called campaign and campaign member. So campaign, which is like a type of marketing, which is email, branding, like if event hosting, KTM T20 cricket. So they host that event. So that is one type of marketing. So that is part of campaign member in Salesforce. Lead, three object are marketing. Next is sales. Now customer is lead came to the Salesforce, and sales team would nurture them to create as a customer. So that will be object Salesforce. So in Salesforce, object means table. So you create a table in PHP database, right? So in Salesforce term, they have given the name as an object, and in that we can create a different type of fields. So Sales Cloud objects are means Sales Cloud tables are account, contact, opportunity, and product. We will see in the demo like hands-on experience about this. Next is Service Cloud. So Service Cloud, which is a contact, who will the person who needs service. Second thing, a case, which is a ticket, and a knowledge article, which is a resolution which we got. Marketing, sales, and service. So this is the all from my side. So do you guys anyone have any question? You can ask them. If anyone have a question, anything, you can ask. No questions? Don't hesitate. If you have in the mind, people will laugh if I ask that question. Don't hesitate about that. It is better to get knowledge if we don't know rather than any fake knowledge kind of assumption rather than assumption or anything. Okay, so so that's all from a demo perspective, the overview of Salesforce. Now we will do some hands-on experience. So for that, what we will do, we will first create one developer account. So Salesforce provides us a free developer account, and that is only for developer with limitations. So there is a limitation of object table creation, the data storing. So that is primarily built by developer to learn the new things, the new whichever new people comes into the Salesforce can learn easily. So we will first create a developer org. In that developer org, what we will do, we will create one picture of like my Geo application. Like if there is one product which Geo is using, Geo has introduced. So first we will create as a that org will be the Geo's org. In that org, we will create one lead first customer. Like first we will create a campaign. We will start from campaign. So from in the campaign we will add the name is a event hosting campaign, and in that event hosting campaign we will add one lead under that. That lead will be the any of the person who is interested to purchase Geo uh, internet services. Now after lead, we will convert into the account, contact, and opportunity. That is standard process inside Salesforce, the conversion. if customer is happy to buy the application, buy the service or product, the Salesforce will provide ability to convert into account, contact, and opportunity. Account, which means the company where our customer work, or if there is no company, then if it is an individual person, then will be the same person account. It will be not a business account. Contact will be the person who is ready to purchase the services. Then opportunity. So opportunity, which means the sales thing, that is a part of a sales. There we will have all the detail regarding the what exact thing customer want. So that detail will be stands under opportunity, and the product which customer want, that will be as a opportunity product. So some customer want multiple products, so that is the reason they have created as a child. So some customer want free, like Geo provide 12, if you purchase for 12 months, 1 month will be free. So they will create second product, so second opportunity product, which will be for the 1 month. So that kind of, and if we go for a purchase a laptop, so in laptop they will provide us mouse, keyboard like external keyboard, or any other whichever offer comes during that time, they're gifting. So that kind of multiple things we can add under opportunity. So those will be as come under the opportunity and as a opportunity product. So we will create one product which is a 6-month plan, and that we will add as a product under that opportunity. So this demo we will do. And why this opportunity needed? Because that is mainly used for a reporting purpose. So why reporting? There are in the uh, companies, there are multiple sales people. So let's say 5 salespeople are there. Among them, in the fiscal year 2021 and 22, the salesperson A has closed 10 opportunity of amount 10 lakh. So he will get incentive based on that. So that we can see in single screen as in the reporting. And user B, like sales rep B, have done the close the deal of only 4 lakh. So there we can see the performance. The person A's performance is very high, person B's performance is very low. So based on that, companies will provide training to the person B who were lagging behind. So that is the reason this reporting is very important, and to track the data which is required. And also, if yearly revenue we want to see in fiscal year or quarterly revenue, what is our investment and what is our ROI, return on investment, and KPI metrics. So all the things we can see in the report, which is very useful for the companies to grow. So they can focus on the area where they are lagging behind rather than checking wrong things at wrong place. So that is the reason CRM will help. CRM helping customer to grow efficiently and fastly. So let's do the hands-on session. You can follow us on our LinkedIn, on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. The demo. Everyone go to the developer.salesforce.com. So during the hands-on experience also, if anyone have any question, you can ask. And click on sign up. provide your details here. Username put same as your email address. I hope all have all have access to the developer.salesforce.com and have entered all the information. Let me know if any person have issue or challenge during the sign up. So sign me up. Once we do a sign up, you will get the .bvm demo. You will get the verification email. So sign me up. So now look, go to your email and okay, this email address is already in use, so I'm using my email address. I have already new Salesforce. I've already created my Salesforce org from this. So after you sign up, go to login.salesforce.com. You should have received email, and in email there is a verification link. In that verification link, it will ask for a password and other question. Once you give, you will be able to log in. You will be able to successfully create a developer account. It will send verification code on your email. So I hope everyone got logged in inside Salesforce and have access to this type of screen. Let me know if anyone have any challenge on this. So we will wait for 2 minutes if anyone behind. So students, don't be shy. Just ask the question if you face any challenge or have anything in your mind. So I hope all have access to this screen. Now what we will do, we will create one plan for 6. First we have to load products. Let's assume this is the org of from Geo, and we have to add product. They have introduced one plan. We'll add that plan as a product. So it's creating new product. Name 6 month 40 Mbps. Product code 6M40, and make it active. We will add only this information: product name, product code, and we will add description. These 3 things only. So this is a 6-month plan. Which provides PS speed, without any limitation. There is no data limit. .40 Mbps, sorry. So we have a 6-month plan, 40 Mbps. So first we will load one product. Now, if they sell for 6 months, they are offering one more free product also, which is a for 1 month. So get one more product. New inventory with 6-month plan, 1 month free complimentary with 6 months plan. The 40 Mbps speed product code. In description, if customer purchase plan and provide this product as complimentary. So we have 2 products here now. One for 6 months, second is for free with the 6-month plan. Now we haven't entered price anywhere. So to enter a price, we have to go to particular product. So I hope everyone has created this 2 product. And let's add the price. So to add the price in Salesforce, we have a different price books. So what is the meaning of price book? So price book means, let's take example of iPhone. So iPhone, they are not selling in only in US. They are selling in all over the world. In India, in USA, UK, all over the world, they are selling. So they have different currency. They are selling in different currency. Here in India, if they sell, they will not sell on USD. They can sell in Indian rupees only. So whichever currency, this is one of the example, whichever currency that we have to add as a price book. So add price. So we have to first create a price book. Let's see, new price book. Price book. And active. This is the standard. Country code India. Description. To sell this product in India, select this price book. Said USA price book as well. New price book, USA price book. Active. This product, USA, select this price book. We can see all price books here. So this these two will come once we once we create a new developer, or there are predefined standard things come. So this two already was there, standard price book and standard. We have entered whichever not there, which is this is called enhancement. Like standard things Salesforce will provide, but what customer needs, that we have to configure and customize and deliver to the customer. So we have two different price book, and we will enter different prices for both of these. Let's instead of let's create one more. For this product, for our Geo plan, let's create Gujarat price book. To sell this plan in Gujarat. Now let's create for Maharashtra. Sell this product in FT. So for our demo purpose, create this two price books, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Because what we will do, our plan, we will configure the product, our plan. If we sell into the Gujarat, the price will be 6,000. And if we sell into Maharashtra, the price will be 7,000, 1,000 increase. So we want to configure different country, different states will have different prices. So how we can do that, we will see that. First, let's configure price books. So that is the use of price books to provide different prices to product. Just wait for a couple of minutes. So people who is behind, the students who is behind can create this price books. So if any student behind or need some time, just let us know. If we go fast, let us know. We can wait for a couple of minutes for him. So during the session, everyone can be on the same page. Everyone can be on the can understand what is going on. So I hope everyone has created this price books, Maharashtra State Price Book and Gujarat State Price Book. Now we will go to the product. So 6 months 40 Mbps. Now for this product we have to configure price. For Gujarat it will be 6,000 and for Maharashtra it will be 7,000. So I'm going to the related here. First we have to, if let me go to the first step. If anyone have any confusion, they can directly click on this 9 dots at the top left, which is the app launcher, and search for products and select the first one. Select which has a product 2 object. In the URL, if you see product 2 and create a new 2 new products, one 6 month 40 Mbps, 1 month free, and create price books. So to create a price book, go to app launcher, search for price book and click. And from here we can create new price books. Now let's create, let's set price for this product. 6 month 40 Mbps, going to related. So clicking on add standard price now. After related, there is a price book here. We have to add a price. So here we can specify the list price, which is a standard price, 6,000, and save. So this is a standard price book. Now we have to add one more price book, which is for Gujarat, currency USD only. Next, in Gujarat, what price we have to sell? It is 6,000. So 6,000 and save. This is free developer one, so we don't have a multi-currency enabled in this. If we have multi-currency enabled, we can see all different type of currencies supported by Salesforce. So here we can see only amount in USD. We don't have a choice to select INR or any other currency. Now for Maharashtra, and let's add 7,000. Save. So if you see here, for this product, for the 6-month 40 Mbps plan, the standard price is 6,000. In Gujarat, it is 6,000. In Maharashtra, it is 7,000. So first, what Jio will do, they will first create a product. After that, they will do marketing for this product. So people will get more interest and purchase this plan. If this plan not work and people are not interested on this plan, so they will do complementary things like adding 1 month to this plan and packaging into total 7 months. You have to pay for 6 months and you will get 7 months service, that kind of. So for now, let's say this is the product and they are doing marketing for this product. So to do a marketing, we have to create a campaign. To track the marketing inside Salesforce, we have to create a campaign. Here, after going to the campaign, which is also one of the custom object, standard object, which is provided by Salesforce. In PHP or SQL, we can set table, and these are the fields in that table, standard fields. So creating new campaign record. So campaign name, like online events. For the plan, what they will do, content. Content advertisement. So content advertisement, which means, let's add in description, you add advertise in newspaper. Newspaper also, we can see these are the new plan came, so people can get aware of that. So newspaper or TV ads, banners. So this is called content advertisement. So type is advertisement. Start date. So they did marketing today, 19th February. And there is expiry date, which is, let's say, end of this month, 28. Here we can track expected revenue from this campaign. This is required because if we do a marketing, we should, at the end of that marketing, what is the cost of that and what is the return from that marketing. Companies should have data about that, so they can, based on that, in future they can be prepared on which area they have to do more marketing, which area they are getting more people, more leads. So that's why this is very important in the reporting. Let's say expected revenue, cost in campaign, and in cost for this marketing, The cost is 50,000. Budget is 50,000. Actual also 50,000. Response, we want 70% response. Parent campaign we don't have. Fund we don't have. Now save this. So content advertisement, which means they uh, give advertisement in newspaper, they printed templates and given at everyone's home, that kind of content advertising, home and offices. And now after seeing this, let's say we are interested on this, so what they will do, they will create a lead, add lead. So to add lead, first we have to create a lead. So to create a lead, let's go to here and leads. So before we move there, I hope everyone has created campaign. Let me know if anyone has any challenge or issue in creation of campaign record. Now, after creation of campaign, we have to create a lead. So one of the marketing people went to the, let me delete this for now. One of the marketing people of Geo came to our office at Kitara Cloud. So he given their pamphlet, and after that he took our number, our name, and our email address. So they will, what he will do, he will create a lead inside system. So this Patel company, mobile number, the phone number, and email. So he has taken the detail and feed into his system. The marketing people who came to our office from Geo, he has added all the information, and in the description he will put potential customer, any other detail, willing to buy, willing to buy 6-month plan. So it will be easy for other people, other team member, by checking the description regarding what he is interested. So saving this. So this lead gets created from the person visited the office. Now here are the detail. Now we have to add this lead into the campaign which we created previously. So going to the campaign, adding the add leads. Here we have two options, add leads and add contact. Add lead, which means the lead which we just see. Some people come to home, or some people come to office for marketing and get the data, our data. So they will be as a lead. And sometimes uh, after seeing that, after seeing the advertisement, directly we contact to the company, like we got the template, or we got in the newspaper, we see the advertisement. What we will do, we are interested, we will call to the customer care or any direct come to the company, we are ready to buy this plan. So those we can add directly as a contact. We don't have to give them offer or anything, they are directly willing to buy that plan, so that will be directly converted to the contact. Now here we are generating as a lead, so adding lead, selecting the on lead which we just created. Next, member status sent, we submit. There was an error. Okay, so one member get added as a campaign member in this campaign who is interested. So here it is showing as a chart. Here it is the information. So till now here, marketing cloud is finished. Like marketing team's work has been finished to generate a lead. After marketing team, who will come in picture, which is a sales team. Now sales team, what they will do, they will go to the sales team, will go to the this campaign, go to related. So sales team will have a different app. So sales team already have a campaign here, so they will click campaign, going inside campaign and check in the related. So you will see the lead which we just created. And here some companies has configured the automation. So automation is how if customer open the email, like in the, let's say example of email marketing, customer have opened the email, the lead score will be the 2. If customer stay on that email for a 5 minute, lead score increase to 7. And customer has responded, in that case it will be very e- eager eager to buy that plan, so the lead score become 10. So that kind of scoring system also we can manage here. It will save the time of sales team to call correct customer at the starting of. So focus on the right customer. That can be done by lead scoring automation. So that are different parameters. These are the one or two. But there are other parameters also to identify lead scoring. So this is the lead who is ready to purchase the application or purchase the plan. Now what sales people will do? Sales people will call this people for a next procedure. So before we move to the sales, I hope all understand the marketing cloud of Salesforce. Here we go to the marketing. What we did, let me write down here. Launch the product. First, every company launch the product. So which means creation of product. add pricing based on reason. After adding the pricing, before adding pricing based on reason, add price books. Add pricing. So this is the first step. Second, marketing cloud. Creation of campaign. After campaign, creation of lead. Add lead campaign as campaign member. Add lead to campaign created in step 1. So in marketing cloud, I hope everyone understood. First company has introduced the new product, so that we have created inside Salesforce, added price books, different prices for that product. If it is sell in multiple regions or multiple countries, and price book can be different based on the other parameter as well. So for example, if let's say laptop, Dell's laptop, if any person Dell's laptop, or let's say car, so if any person who is working in the Tata company in TCS or anything, they will get more discount, like 15,000 discount, 15 or 20,000 discount if they show the ID card of the Tata during purchasing of the car. If any other person, for those the price will be different, the normal price. So this type of prices are there. Now add pricing based on the region. If it is a multiple region sellable product. Now after launching the product, next is marketing cloud. So for marketing cloud, first thing we have to create a campaign, then create a lead, add that lead to the campaign. Then step 1 as campaign member. Now after this, sales cloud will come in picture. Sales cloud, what we will do, before we move to the sales cloud, does anyone have any question on this two part, or face any challenge?
Sir.
Yeah. Hello. You can ask any question if you have. Are you all students with me in till now in such hands-on session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you so much for response. Now let's move to the sales cloud. So here we will search for application. These are the applications under app launcher. Now we are search for a sales. In sales, what sales people will do, they will go to the campaign. They will go to the particular campaign. There will be multiple. Here for demo purpose, we created only one campaign, but they will have multiple campaigns here. They will click on that. Inside that, after that, here is the detail. He can see what was the start date, what was the end date, expected revenue. This all information he will see, where it was conducted, and go to related and check who is the campaign member. He will go one by one. Open that campaign member. Now he can see this lead is not converted yet. This person has not bought till now our plan. So what sales people will do, he will call or email directly. He can send email from here. Are you looking to buy this plan? Kind of messages they can send. We can define predefined template which we can use. If he respond, customer respond, here we can say see what was the response. After email, like 2 or 3 days we didn't get any response, salespeople can go to detail and call this number. So after calling this, what usually people do not respond in email. So if they have any confusion regarding plan or have any question, they will not respond. What they will do, the phone they will tell. So salespeople will call this number and ask, are you ready to buy this plan, or do you have any question or anything? So from Geo, I got the call regarding to purchase a 6-month plan. Now I told them this is a high price. I cannot afford this much. So what they will do, they will tell, we have one offer for you. We cannot decrease the price, but we will give you extra 1 month. So then I will you able to purchase the plan. So we said yes. So after that, they will convert our lead into account, contact, and opportunity. So once we convert, it will create 3 records. So sales, go to campaign, go to lead, go to customer, lead or customer. After calling, if he's ready to buy, then then he will just click on this is standard automation inside Salesforce. Once we click on convert, automation will create opportunity. These 3 things will get create once we convert the lead. So what is this 3 thing? So this is standard table, standard Salesforce table. Account, which means the company. So here company which is a Kitara Cloud. So this there will be account get created with this name. Contact person is Hitesh Patel. So this will be created as a under this account. This will be contact. Opportunity. This name we can provide during conversion. This is a financial related object. This will help to the companies to track yearly revenue. So if I click on convert, So if you see automatically account name is this, type undefined for now, contact name, opportunity, Itara Cloud Tech Labs, new geo plan. So this is creation of the new. If you see in the left side, create new, create new, create new. This will create 3 new records: account, new record, contact, and opportunity. And in the right side, we can see choose existing. So why this option has given? Because some customers are there who are previously using our service, and we have those data, but and we don't want to create new, like there will be duplication. To remove duplication, this functionality provided by Salesforce, we can search here. So these are the, with the name test, there are multiple, but with this name, there is no any record into system. So we have to create new. Now let's come, after we convert, sales people will not able to see this as a lead, because we don't want to confuse the sales people by calling again the same customer. So if I click on convert, so this is a standard process. Your lead has been converted. Account, this is the account. Contact, this is the contact. Opportunity, this is the opportunity. So this 3 record will get created. Now go to leads. Now if I go to same campaign, let's say second day, I came here, going to campaign, go to related, campaign member, clicking on lead. Here lead will come. So if you see, lead has been converted to contact, so it has been changed to the contact. So it will directly open the contact, not a lead. So sales people know this already converted. We don't have to do anything here. Customer already ready to purchase. Now after sometime happens, like after during call, customer has said I am ready to buy, but later he has again some questions. So he has not purchased product yet. So in that case, salespeople will go to the contact, go to the opportunity, and check the status of the opportunity. Status of opportunity is not closed, which means customer has not purchased yet. And he can see product also, it is blank. So first we will add product here by clicking the add product. So we are selling into Gujarat only, Gujarat state price book, and save. 6-month plan, which we just chosen. Next, and save. Quantity. Yeah, this will be, quantity will be 1 always, because plan there will be not multiple internet provider plan, but some product like laptop or any books or any other products which can people can buy in bulk, 10 quantity, 20, 500 quantity. Here we have only 1 quantity, so put 1 and save. Rest of the information we will not add. Save. So 1 product get added. Okay. Now the thing is, it is not converted during during sale. I got an offer that I will get free 1 month, but I don't see that anywhere written. So customers confusion is that. So what will happen? Uh, Salespeople will go to this opportunity and add one more product here. Yeah, other product which we added six free product, which is not showing here. The reason behind that is we that's product again. For this product, free product, going to related, add standard, it's 0. Because it is a free product, price will be always 0. This is a complementary product for Gujarat only. For Maharashtra, there is no complementary. So products price gets added for the free product. Now we will go to the opportunity again. The new geo plan and going to the related in the right side. So don't get confused if you have related coming here, because layout we can configure differently. Currently this layout is configured like all the child items display in right side. This is we can configure based on our customers. So the right side we can see all related, but sometimes like in campaign we can see related here in the related, which means child products, child items, you can see here. Now let's go to the opportunity again. Going to the product, adding the free product now. Now that free product visible here with price $0. Adding this, next, and save. Before save, we have to add quantity as 1 and save. So we can see this opportunity have 2 products here. Now we will close one. Now customer is happy and willing to buy this product. So we will, here I have added multiple stages, but we in your there will be standard to like 3 to 4 stages only. You can close that. I select close, closed one. So there are 2 options here during closing of the opportunity. Closing of the opportunity means the work of the sales people will complete here. Customer already purchased the product, so that will only close opportunity will count as a revenue. So close one and save. So this opportunity get closed, and amount of this opportunity is 6,000. So this is the completion of Sales Cloud. Now if we go here, opportunity name, company name plus planning. Now fourth step, add products under opportunity. For adding of the product, we selected stage as close. Set opportunity stage as close 1. So till now, sales sales cloud is completed. The work of the sales people has been completed till opportunity stage change to close one, which means product has been sold to the customer and it is winning. Because it is a close one, means it is come into the winning part. If it is a lost, then it will be customer is not ready to purchase a product, then it will be closed lost. So we had a two stages during closing the opportunity. So this will count as a revenue from that campaign. So we got business from that campaign, which is a content advertisement campaign. So in Sales Cloud, anyone have any questions? Or we will wait for 2 minutes here for other people who lag behind. I'll be back in a moment. Yeah, I hope everyone is enjoying the session, not get bored. And with me till now on hands-on session till Sales
Yes.
Cloud. Okay, cool. So let's cover again the Sales Cloud. So for sales, after marketing, what sales people will do, they will go to the sales application from here. They will go to the campaign and identify the correct campaign for which they want to do a lead nurturing. So go to related. Here first they will see the details. After checking the detail, so if you see for this campaign, value is 6,000. We just close one opportunity and that opportunity automatically, that amount automatically came here. So this will help in the reporting and also help to the companies to identify how much money did they make during advertisement of this campaign. Now we are going to related, going to campaign member and contact. or lead. If it is a lead, they will call to the customer and provide some discount and offers. After customer is happy, they will convert into the account, contact and opportunity. And after conversion, we go to the opportunity and close won the opportunity. Once opportunity get close won, the sales team's work has been completed. Now the next is Service Cloud. What is Service Cloud now? Now let's say we are using the plan. Currently we use till like total 6 months are there, 7 months ideally, because 1 month we got free plan. Now on second month there is issue coming on. We are getting less speed. We are getting disconnected time in a particular time, like in 1 hour, every 1 hour it got disconnected. So what we will do, we'll call that their customer care or application. We will go to the application. Let's assume we are calling to the customer care. So customer care will come as a service in the app launcher. We have to go to the service. So here there is a calling system or chat system. Once we call, they will receive a notification here or call directly inside here, and service people will accept the call. After they accept the call, in the same screen, based on our phone number, if we calling from the same mobile number, based on phone number, information will automatically get pulled over. So the service team don't have to find the customer. If we are calling from different number, then they have to go to contact and identify the correct contact who is calling for this issue. After checking this contact, they will go to the related and create a case, new case. And next. So some information will automatically pull up. First, whenever case is created, step 1 status will be new case, priority, high priority, case origin. Let's say customer have called on the phone. This other information we will not put. We will put directly a description. Yeah, subject. So subject is speed too low, 10 kbps speed we are getting. Customer is not happy with the speed issue. Only 10 kbps. Now this is the description which we got. This one we can add in internal comment, their internal comment also. If service people know, then the know the actual reason, then he can directly type something in internal comment. The software version. This as priority. Seeing this internal comment, so case has been created. Now the call center agent has created the case, but we have to assign this case to actual person who will be visiting our office and completing the work. So here we can, in the case owner, we can assign the correct person, say admin, and change all. So case has been assigned to the service person, which is the admin user here. And what he will do, admin user get login and see, can see this case in here in his queue, in his list view here. Speed is too low. You can see the information going to the case and make this first step as a status working. Is working on this case. Now sometimes happens actual field technician make the status as working, but in 3 to 4 days he is not visiting our office or not responding. We are not getting anything, any feedback regarding our ticket. So what we will do, we will call again. So once we call again, this case number we will provide, and the agent who received the call, like customer care agent. So what he will do, he will check the status is working since last 3 days, no update, then he will escalate the case. So escalate, which means whoever person it is assigned, it will go to the manager of that person. The email notification will go to the manager, and that manager will check that case on high priority because it is already escalated. 3 days customer has waited and no response, so he will talk with support person and check the what is the reason behind that, why issue still not resolved. So the support person has some other priority work to complete. After that he will be able to, because other work like he got lots of ticket, he don't have a enough bandwidth to complete other ticket which he got previously. That's why it is pending. So in that case, what this will do, this will help to the company to increase the resources, increase service resources. They will increase, or they will provide contract to other company to for 1 month, for particular month where they will get more ticket. So on contract basis, they will hire other company for supporting, and that will clear their backlog. That backlog, which means ticket, they will clear. They will work on that and complete all the work. So customer also will get happy, and company will also will get good reward because they have completed work ticket in time. So that is the reason this service cloud is useful for companies. So after escalation, status is done. Here we don't have a status, but there will be status as case has been closed. Yeah, we can close the case after work has been completed. But sometimes happen like agents are like field technicians are closing the case without resolving the problem. So in that case, as a customer, I can call again or email again. Once we email, that case will automatically reopen. So that functionality also they provide Salesforce, automatically open the case if customer is not happy. So this is the part of Service Cloud. So in Service Cloud, what will happen? Well, first, customer call regarding issue. Second, agent, call center agent, get a case. Call center agent create a case. He will assign to create case and assign to technician. After case has been assigned to technician, technician will set status. work on the case status. The technician will visit customer and close the case. This is end of service cloud, and also technician will get knowledge article. Why knowledge article? This will help in future. Resolution will help in future. Let's say that speed coming down because we don't have updated version, software version in our router. So what they will do, they will create a step-by-step guide, and next time whenever people have same problem, they will follow that steps and resolve the issue. So that will come under knowledge article. If I go related, so here we have answer it software version. So here we can search knowledge. So knowledge article is not configured in this org by default, but with paid version, we can get that article and steps we can add that, and those article we can publish on our website or community, and will be easy for future customer who are facing same problem. So this is the completion of the service cloud. So does anyone have any question or want to need more information? You can ask me. And if yep.
Those knowledge articles are like the Microsoft post on Microsoft community for like if anyone having is any issue.
Correct. That's correct. Correct.
Same. It is completed by the same process, right? So.
Yes, that's correct. Correct. So every company has their own knowledge articles. So we can, if any any company using the Salesforce and they would like to add more articles, they can create inside Salesforce and launch on their website, like Microsoft do. Microsoft will first that article will come from the actual team who is working, technician, and based on that their team, the knowledge, that content writing team will create article which is easily readable and easily followable steps by any user. Any user can understand that. It will convert into that language, and after that they will publish on the website.
Okay, sir.
And if you need any help or any question in future also, you can write down my email. Any question related to Salesforce or any question or need more if you are interested, need more information on Salesforce, want to learn Salesforce, you can contact me on this email address, and you can call me also. This is my contact details. Yeah. So does anyone have any other questions?
Yes, sir. I just had a curiosity. Like,
Mhm.
what are the main key features that you would like to share with us about Salesforce CRM in particular that makes the companies or clients prefer this platform over other CRMs?
Correct. So the main key feature is like Salesforce is releasing new things every 3 months. So there are number of CRMs in the market which is same as Salesforce. There are so many CRM, but why Salesforce is number one? Because they are releasing new things every 3 months. And new thing means addition of extra feature, enhancement of in existing feature. For example, the real-time example I will tell you. There is one small baby. Okay, we are giving him new toy. He will play 1 day. He will play 2 day. He will play 3 day. He will play a week. After that, he will get bored. He will not play anymore with that toy. He needs something new. So same thing Salesforce is doing. Every 3 months they have a releasing summer release, spring and winter release. On that release, they are introducing new things, and which will be very comfortable for user also. And they are working on the ideas which is on their website. People will post like, I'm using this application, Salesforce application, I'm using this, and I'm not comfortable on something, I want something more. So I will post on their idea. If they choose, they will go through that idea. If they feel this is really helpful for multiple companies, then they will implement in their next release. So these are the changes they are doing. But there is one uh, drawback also with these changes. The drawback is, if uh, if we do constantly new things, if we add, and people like companies, people like the person who is really using Salesforce, sales people, support people, they in they learn this thing now today, and after 3 months new thing came. So they will not adapt, like, they will not adapt. I just feel comfortable and they have changed. So dramatically changes are not happening. Those kind of changing they are doing every 10 year, every 10 years. So even last before 10 years Salesforce was looking, let me show you like this, like before 3 to 4 years it was looking like this. This is the classic version. If you see, this is all the things you can see. This is this records and all. If you open the case record, this is the old one. And if we move to the new one, say switch to lightning. Currently they are advertising so much for this lightning. So this is a new thing, new release. So this kind of full UI change. Before 10 years they have different. After that this come, and this is the third one, third UI they have developed, which is currently ongoing. That is the reason Salesforce is highly customer acceptable market. I hope you got your
Right, sir.
question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Does anyone else having question? Okay,
I
so yeah,
I hope, Mr. Idris, you have taken the entire session is very nicely and step by step. So our students are enjoying it and they have taken it very carefully. So probably what we can suggest from you, right? Suppose if anybody wants to do certain things in a detail of it, they can contact you in the future. You can respond it in your free time.
Yeah, definitely. If any question or query, anything you would like to know more about Salesforce, you can contact me directly. This is my contact detail, or you can get from Vatsal sir as well. My details.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Hitesh.
Thank you.
So I'll let you know about this thing. So BVM Engineering College is doing this kind of activities every Saturdays for learning beyond curriculums, and for the IT and the computer EC students, these are the technologies which is coming every days and updating. So at least faculty and the student must have to be aware about these all things, and they must have to be updated. At least they should have a knowledge and the overview of it, what is going on in a market right now. So this kind of awareness program and the basic and hands-on program would be beneficial to faculty and the students. So I really thank you for sparing your times on your weekends for us, and please be with us whenever we required you, right?
Yeah, definitely. Also, I would also like to thank for giving this opportunity to provide session to our newly students, newly uh, coming out from college. This will, because this will be not part of our courses. This will be very helpful for them
Yeah.
to before going into the market. Yeah.
And to nowadays AWS and GCP is booming in the market, and in these days if we are going to have this kind of knowledge, definitely this would be what I can say that a best thing for us student as well.
Yeah.
And I'm also thankful to Mr. Mayank, Professor Mayank Devani, to have a contact with us, and they have actually contacted with you, and now you have presented this session. So Akshit, if we are left with any other things, you can continue. Otherwise, we can conclude the session. Akshit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay, so if anyone has not having any doubt, then we can move towards the end of this session. First, I would like to thank you, Hitesh sir, for such an interesting session with simple explanation and implementation of real-world scenarios. It was a direct and raw transfer of knowledge. It was great to have amazing practical exposure with Salesforce. Salesforce. Hitesh sir is the founder and CEO at Kitara Cloud Tech Labs. He specialized in CRM implementations such as sales marketing, communities, partner portal, and customer portal. And sir has been contributing to industry for more than past 10 years. Thank you so much, sir, for sparing your precious time with us. We are deeply thankful to you, sir.
Thank
I would like to thank our honorable principal, sir, for allowing us to conduct such events at BVM, and our faculty advisor, Dr. Vatsal Shah, sir, for constant guidance and support. I would like to thank BVM alumni for always supporting us, guiding us, and contributing all the resources we need. And lastly, I would thank the GDSC lead, Astha, and the whole team for their efforts in organizing such great event. I am Akshat Trivedi, head organizer at GDSC BVM, and I thank you all for being part of the event. Hope this was mesmerizing event for you all, and you keep participating in the events of GDSC. Thank you.
Thank you so much, team and students. So we can leave for the day, Vatsal, or we want to specify
Yeah.
anything. Okay, so have a very great weekend, students. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Have a good
Yeah.
day, sir.
Yeah.